Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and look, I have a Dreamer's Designs. Are you surprised? I mean, Dreamer Designs has been killing me lately. I really need to work on the one I have going in the basement. Chuck, it's all his fault. I'm working on that like every spare minute I have. Anyhow, here is a Dreamer's Designs box. Look, it has a handle, it has plastic on it that I can't get off. Come on. All right, got some directions on the back of the box, things like that. Yeah, typical box, nice box. Does what it's supposed to do. Okay, you want to know what I have? Do you want to know? I'm not going to tell you yet. So, in the diamond painting world these days, I have some men in my life. Yes, I'll just say that. I have some special. Come on, seriously? I'm going to end up wrecking this box because I can't get it open. Yeah, it doesn't want to come out. Look, these tabs are stuck in there. Look, I'm going to tear them. I know I am. Come on. Okay, one moment. I told you. Look, what a beast that tab was to get out of there. It was not coming out. Anyhow, back to what I was talking about. I was talking about the men in my life, right? The men in my life when it comes to diamond painting. Well, there's Chuck. He's always, he's my main man. He always will be. But then we got to throw in Abraham Hunter because, he's one of my new guys. And then there's this guy right here. And he's one of my newest artists that I love. You know who it is? Do you know who it is? Do you know who it is? Do you see how this is all coming in this bag and everything's all bagged up nicely and beautiful and whatnot? Our drills. Okay, it's called Beach Day. That helps you out? Beach Day. All right, here's our toolkit. This is Alan. Alan, one of my new friends. I will tell you this. I've said it from the very beginning. I have always been a landscape girl. It's just, that's my favorite thing to diamond paint is landscapes. And those three gentlemen I just described are some of the best landscape artists I know. All right, so what do we have here? We have some multi-placers and a straightener to go on our pens. We have another one right here. 2 pens, one with the plastic tip, which I use this all the time for ABs. It really works well. I just put pink wax in it and it works great for ABs. I'm using one now on my Chuck Pinson painting. Sorry, I'm talking about Chuck Pinson. While I'm unboxing a Dreamer's Designs. Anyhow. Yeah, they don't have Chuck anymore. Anyhow, tweezers, 2 squishies, 2 waxes, 2 boats. Everything has Dreamer Designs on it. Everything you'll need here to diamond paint. Doop, just like that. Okay, the canvas comes tied up with a beautiful purple ribbon. Let's undo it. Their canvas is I think it's nylon feeling. I don't know, that's the best word I can describe. It's poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards so that it will lay flat. This one does not lay as flat as quickly as others. Maybe I don't have to. Let's try this. What if we go like this? It's still going to want to curl, but maybe I can actually roll it better now. It gets so tight on that foam roller that it's hard to do that. There's our symbols. Here's our paper. See, everything's so curly. There's a foam roller. Okay. There we go. Here we go. Okay. All right. There. Woo! We got it. We got it all rolled backwards. 61 colors. There we go. Okay. 61 colors. That's a lot of colors. All right. I'm going to hold it for a minute. I'm just going to hold it like this for a minute while we look at this other stuff real quick. Okay. It comes with a information sheet and all that stuff. I forget to tell you guys, I do have a code at Dreamer Designs. I believe it's just Mindy15. And that could save you some money at Dreamer Designs, okay? And then here are our symbols. These are all pre-cut, so you can take them off and put them on your jars. If we can see them, that would be great, okay? This one's pretty light. The printing on it is light. They look small. Oh my gosh. Anyhow, ABs are at the bottom, okay? And they tell you they're AB. AB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ABs. Oh my gosh. Okay. And this one, ladies and gentlemen, is round. See that? It is round drills. That makes me want to work on it, right? Because it's round drills. You know, I do a lot of square paintings, but I really love doing rounds. I really do. They're just, okay, there we go. All right. Is it going to lay flat now? Looks like it. There, isn't it beautiful? Do you like it? It's beautiful. Okay, ready? Alan, Gianna, there we be. There we go. Beach days. Let's zoom you out so we can see the beach. There it is. A whole beach. So I loved this over here. It's just a garden, a beautiful garden. It's full of butterflies too. Like here's a butterfly. There's a butterfly. All kinds of pretty stuff there. And then there's this walkway down to the beach, right? Love it. A couple Adirondack chairs, a planter full of flowers, life preserver, just in case you need some help while you're out there. A towel, maybe? And then we have the lighthouse off in the distance on the point. We have this point that's coming out here into the water. And there's a lighthouse out there to say, hey, don't come too close. Danger, danger. We have land. Land ahoy, land ahoy. And then there's a sailboat. See how it still wants to curl on the edges? That's the one thing with this type of canvas. It wants to do that. It will lay flat. You just need to convince it. It needs to be convinced a little. You know what I mean? See? Look at that. That's better, right? How pretty, right? How pretty is that? That's gorgeous. Got a planter here with some flowers. I don't know, those look like geraniums to me, but how gorgeous. I love all these flowers. You have a legend on both sides, and it has all your DMC codes. There's one here. There's one over there. Paint with Passions down here. Lifetime warranty or whatever they got going on here. Yes, lifetime warranty. We have you covered. They have insurance. Okay. And then all of your information up here. Beach days, legally licensed. Alan, Gianna, this is an 80 by 60 painting. Round drills. Yes, something under my plastic. Probably got that on my own counter here or something. Anyhow, it's going to be gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. 6 ABs. Look how pink and purple that sky looks and that water looks. Oh my gosh, let's look at these drills. Look at the colors of those drills. Wonder what we have for AB. Well, if I had to guess, I'd say there's a pink, a green, sorry, maybe a yellow. I don't know, let's find out. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the beautiful drills. I know we all like to look at drills. All right, so 2 47s. Olive green, orange. Look at that. There's another blue. 2 blues. Those are different. Greens. This is our AB strand. Is this all ABs? No, this is not. Yes? Yep. Oh, it's only 2 of them though. Okay. So there's 2 bags of white. Normally the ABs come in a strip like all together, but this one just has these 2. So this is a white AB. It has an iridescent coating on them. They shimmer, they shine, they pick up all the colors of the rainbow. Okay, come on. Thank you. So pretty, right? So pretty. And they really just sparkle on your canvas. Sparkle, sparkle. Dark gray, taupe. That's like a greenish gray. Lots of different shades of blue here. Ooh, did you see those? Look at, do you see them jumping around? That's static, my friends. They are just hopping around in that bag. Have some dryer sheets ready. Wow, that was fun. All right, what else do we have? Brown. Look at that. Pale, light, yellowy green, I guess. Some gray. All kinds of orangish tones. Taupe. Another green gray. Pretty blue, red, lots of brownish tones here. a dark blue, red, a gray, some black, just a little black. More greens. Lots of green. Wow, more green. And brown and taupe and tan and all those colors. Rust, burgundy color. Another blue. They're moving over there on their own. The bags are moving on their own. Oh boy. Some bright pinks. Flower colors. Yeah, we have to have some flower colors, right? There's some beautiful pinks over there, right? All right, a cream. Some more blues. And then the last strip over here has the rest of the ABs. So there's supposed to be 6 of them. So we already saw the white. All right, look at all these beautiful AB colors. Again, look at the static. They're hopping around in there. Ooh, they're doing a dance. Wow, static is real, folks. Static is real. Okay, light yellow and orange. This bright green, often used in landscapes. A red and a light pink. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I've said this before when I'm unboxing landscapes that have a lot of pretty AB colors. I'm like, please be in the flowers, right? Please be in the flowers. So let's see if we can find them. Ends. Ends are pink. They're here in these flowers. Are they over here in these flowers? Yes. So there's some of the pink over in those flowers over there. Let's zoom you in just a little bit. Okay. So there's pinks in here and pinks over here in these flowers. Do we have any more? That's the only place I would think I would find pink. Unless there's any in the sky, which I'm not seeing any. Okay, we'll go with that for now. N. Hang on. No, I'm not seeing any up there in the sky. Okay. All right. The L, number 61. What was that one? Where did my ABs just go to? Number 61. Is that the white? Nope, that's this yellow. So the yellow, that is a little L. Oh, look, it's right here in the towel. In the stripes of the towel, we get some of the L. The yellow. You guys, you don't know like how hard it is sometimes to find these until you're actually the one trying to look for them. And I'm not seeing any more. Is that the only place we have yellow is in the stripes of this blanket or towel or whatever? I think that's it for the yellow. All right. Number 60 is the orange, and it's a 7. Okay, so where would we expect to see that? Right there in those flowers, right? See the 7s? And then how about here? Yep, in the flowers here. Oh, there's some right there. I don't know what that is right there, why that is yellow there, or orange. And then here on this butterfly, and then spattered through these flowers here, we have some of that pretty orange. All right. The green is R. So where would you expect to find that? It's spattered all through the grass, just all through the grass. Even up to here. Just you see grass up here? Yes, yes. Where you see the green, the bright green, we're going to have some of that bright green AB. Over in here, all up through this bush here. Yes. So that's everywhere. All right. 58 is the red. Here we go. In all of these red flowers. Every single one of those red flowers has some red AB. All of these, all of those. And then let's look at our chair, because our chair has some too. The chair does. The red trees up here have some AB. Perfect. Perfect. Then we have the little light pink. We did that one. And yeah, it was in here. Okay. And in those flowers. And then the last one is the white, which is a circle. Okay. Circle. It's like a red circle. So see these flowers right here? See all the little red circles in the flowers? It's all white AB. Do you see it here? Yes. Do you see it all through this water? Yes. Do you see it in all these clouds? Yes, yes, yes. In the sails of the sailboat? Uh-huh. Yeah. The white AB goes everywhere. And the life preserver? Mm-hmm. So that's where all the whites are. All the clouds, much in the sky, through all the waves, and then these flowers. Okay, that's where the white goes. Nice, 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 nice. What do you think? What do you think? Let's zoom you out so you can see the whole thing again. How pretty, right? Boy, the ABs they're putting in these things, you guys. I mean, it used to be we would all go enhance and put new stuff in there of our own and get more ABs and stuff. And I haven't done that lately. There's so many ABs anymore, and the placement of them, they're getting them so perfectly placed, the ABs, you guys. It's fantastic. All right, so there you have it. My number 3 guy in the diamond painting world. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Dreamer Designs. You know, I'm just collecting them at this point, just collecting all these beautiful paintings and artwork. Will I ever do them? I don't know. Maybe I'll just take them out of the box someday and just hang them on the wall. I've said that before. I'll just hang them up somewhere. Whatever, right? Anyhow, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you maybe were interested in this kit and you weren't sure, now you know. Now you know, right? Okay. Hit that like button, subscribe maybe if you're new here and you enjoyed the video and you want to see more. Best way, hit the subscribe button. Blah, blah, blah. Right? Okay. That's it, guys. That's it. I will talk to everybody soon. I hope you have a great day. And I'm looking forward to this time of the year. How about you? Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Okay. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye, everybody.